Hey guys, hi friends, it's Jenna. Welcome back to another one of my videos. So all this stationery here is what I got in the latest October sticky kit. So this is the little sticky kit, so Sticky Kit Japan. If you checked out my latest Hobonichi video, I feature how I've been journaling with some of these with a past kit. So I am a creative ambassador of Sticky Kit. That means I get to have fun with all these amazing goodies. I love stickers and stationery, as you know, so I'm really thankful and appreciative that I get to also share these amazing kits with you all. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you, this is what I got in the October sticky kit. So it's the double bundle kit set, so that includes the stickers and then the washi tapes. So I'm just going to quickly take you through and show you some of the lovely stickers and washies in this set. Oh my god, it's like a beautiful autumn theme and I just absolutely love it. Like, it is spring in Australia, but I just still love anything autumn and cozy, and I love all the warm colors. I've had this washi on my wish list because it's just so beautiful. It's got like a lovely collaged theme, pine cones, mushrooms. So that's that washi tape. So this is what you get in the washi tape part. And then I love this one too. It almost looks like hydrangeas, and it's a beautiful plum color as well. This is like a little woodland theme washi tape. There's like foxes, so there's lots of trees and foxes running through autumn leaves on that washi tape. And then yeah, you also get this Japanese traditional treats style washi tape with lots of beautiful autumn colors. So I really like that one because I do quite love, oh, it's got maple leaves, all sorts of autumn goodies, pumpkins, so that is so cute. You could even use that for like some Halloween mail. Washi tape leaf like stickers, like post-its, but they're it feels kind of like wax paper, and they're really lovely, and they're probably a bit see-through, so they're gonna look really nice yeah, for anything they use it for, either journaling. So today I'm actually going to be doing some mail art with this. So I've got the October sticky kit here. It's an autumn theme, and I'm going to be showing you how I use the stickers and washi tape to make some lovely mail art for your pen pal. So I'll be decorating envelopes. So that's the washi part. I've also got some maple leaves here. I've got lots of Japanese maple trees in the garden, so they're actually looking really stunning now. Lots of different oranges and red colors, so I just wanted to include them here. So in the sticker part, so this month, normally you get separate cards, but now I've just noticed this is the first time I've seen this. They've got a combo card that's included in the pack. So normally you get 2 separate cards in the pack, but I think if you buy the combo pack now, you'll get these little combo cards. And I just really love the detail, the watercolor on this one. It's a beautiful autumn theme, so that could definitely go in a journal. And it also tells you some information about the washi tapes and stickers in here, which is really handy. So it's got all the different brands, so that's really great. Another surprise I had was in the sticker kit was this beautiful autumn letter set. So it's got like a little, almost, it's paper, but it's like a little postcard size letter part, so you can write your letter on there. And then you've got this beautiful autumn colored envelope, and I love how it's kind of almost looks like the colors are kind of fading off, so that's really lovely. So yeah, it does come with a envelope and note paper, but I really want to make my own mail art with this kit because I'm just so inspired by all the beautiful colors and warm autumn vibes. So, and also you get these super gorgeous, oh my god, mushroom chestnut flakes. So there's quite a few in the pack, so I've just pulled out one of each just so I could give you a look, but you get quite a bundle of these inside the little kit, so you get lots to play with. It's always nice to have doubles. So they're all the ones that you the different styles you get. So love those mushroom sticker flakes. So I've just pulled out some so I can make that mail today. And then we've got some, still going, there's so much in this kit, it's amazing. So you got these beautiful watercolored style autumn leaf stickers. And then they've got their own designed official sticky kit stickers. So there's some like deers on here. I love the deers. That reminds me of the deers when I visited Nara in Japan. I love the little deers, it's like little Bambi. This little sticker sheet here, I love all the little houses and the colours in this. And then I love these traditional Japanese stickers. And then you also get some foodie stickers. Okay, so as well as using my sticky kits and washi tapes, I do have some sneaky extras that I want to use. Just so it gives you an idea of kind of like this, how I do my mail art, because I kind of have a specific style that I kind of go to. So I just wanted, I might not use everything here, but I just wanted to get aside some of my autumn kind of theme papers. I've selected some of these envelopes, so I think I'm going to go with this one today. But I'll probably use some more of these things for more pen pal mail art I'm gonna do. So I've got the envelope. Now what I normally do when I'm doing my mail art is that I collect a lot of scrap paper from magazines. So yeah, I just go through the magazines that I have and I pull out, I rip up pages and sections and borders of pages to get these kind of like magazine clippings. So I love these ones. They've got a bit of an autumn theme, so I like to use them because I love to collage my envelopes. So I'm always got lots of scrap paper on hand, and then leftover paper from other things that I craft with. I got note paper. I also use recycled paper bags so I can tear these up. And yeah, and then I've got some more stickers. These are actually from the previous sticky kit that I got. So if you check out my Hobonichi Autumn Fall Journal With Me video, you can have a look at that kit and how I journal with them. So I might include one of these out. I'm not sure yet. Like I said, I might not use everything. I've also got some autumn pictures I found from a magazine, more scrap paper, and I love these there's La Dolce Vita and some Meowstar paper cutouts I got on a packaged envelope that I've cut out. So I really love these girl stickers. If you see my Instagram, you see that I've used these quite a few times. So yeah, I've got those as well. And then I've also got some washi tape from, again, the last sticky kit. It's got black autumn leaves on it. I've got some colored papers which I like to use for labeling. So I've got those. And then I've got some stamps here. So I don't know yet if I'm going to use all the stamps, but I just wanted to get some aside that inspire like kind of a bit of an autumn theme. I got these ones. These are the inks that I've picked out. Now I've got these inks because they're really good for Hobonichi. They don't really bleed through the paper, so that's why I always try my best to use this ink. I think it's really great because it doesn't bleed through, and I just use it for everything else as well. So I've got a pine cone coloured and a raspberry coloured ink. I want to kind of see what I can do with the sticky kit first, because you don't need too many things to make beautiful mail art. So let's get to making some mail art with some of these goodies. Okay, so I'm back. So I've got my envelope, my scrap bits of paper, my stickers, my washi tape, some more sticker flakes, and I've got this beautiful heath myrtle plant that's growing in our garden at the moment. So nice. Love nature. And I've got my little girl sticker. So yeah, I've just selected a few things. Now just a few tips of how I kind of make my mail art before I probably put this on a time lapse. So I normally start with using the scrap bit of papers to decorate the base of the envelope, and I use washi tape as well. And then I go ahead and I create like my address label, and I also have one for the back as well, my receipt from address. I like to pay attention to kind of leave this gap clear. It's always nice to have some of the envelope peeking through because it is a beautiful envelope in itself. So I keep this bit clear for postage stamps. There's normally 3 stamps that need to go on here if it's International Standard Post for us. It's a bit expensive in Australia, but anyway. And then I go ahead and I decorate some excess spaces and gaps with stickers and also maybe some ink stamps. So I'm going to put this on a time lapse, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you like this mail art video, Please do leave a like and leave a comment below because I love to do some different themed ones if you enjoyed this video. Yeah, and feel free to subscribe if you haven't yet because I really would love to get to that 1,000 subscribers, and then I can maybe look at doing a giveaway or something special like that for you to show and thank you for all your amazing support. So yeah, grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's make some mail art. So that's the finished mail art. So thanks again for watching another one of my videos, guys. I really appreciate it. Have fun making your mail art and your happy mail for all your lovely pen pals. And I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring in some way. So stay cozy and happy crafting. Bye-bye for now. Bye.